Sir, girls' education is free throughout the country up to class 12 full stop. In certain states, it is free even at college level full stop. The district primary education project lays special emphasis on female literacy full stop. 60% of the total learners in the National Literacy Mission are women full stop. 50% of the teachers recruited under the scheme of Operation Blackboard will be women full stop. The scheme has created a new awareness among women and has generated demand for education full stop. A new scheme of residential primary schools for the weaker sections in rural areas is being worked out full stop paragraph change. The government is committed to the program of vocationalization of education at plus 2 stage full stop. The national policy on education envisages that vocational courses should cover 10% of the higher secondary students by 1995 and 20% by the year 2000 full stop. Under the centrally sponsored scheme of vocationalization, vocational courses have been approved in schools, creating a capacity for diversion of 9 lakh students to the vocational streams, covering 11% of the enrollment at plus 2 stage full stop close.